In this video, I'll show you how to effectively remove and replace the interior lenses on your Lincoln Continental, specifically models from 1980 to 1989. While I'll be demonstrating with my 1983 Lincoln Continental Mark VI Emilio Pucci Coupe, this guide can also apply to other Lincolns with similar lens setups. We'll focus on two plastic light bulb lens locations: the rear courtesy light lenses located on the back pillars and the lower door panels. These lenses typically feature narrow slots on the end with hidden tabs that secure the lenses in place. To remove the lens, you'll need a tool that can fit into this slot without damaging the lens. I found that a metal paint can opener works perfectly for the job. The curved tip on the opener allows you to gently pry the lens from its frame. Removal: insert the paint can opener's tip into the slot of the lens. Gently move the tool to begin bowing the lens plastic outward. As the lens starts to separate from the frame, continue prying the tool towards you until the lens pops out enough to be removed by hand. Installation: start by inserting the tab section of the lens into the frame. Gently pinch by hand and bow the lens plastic towards you while sliding the other end back into place. Finally, ensure the lens is securely fitted by pressing it back into its frame. This method will help you remove and replace your interior lenses without causing any damage. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.